Hey guys, I'm out here working on the Crunch amp for somebody I know. It had here I'll show you. It had a busted RCA. That's not it. Right here. Can't use it. So that was snapped off. Wanted to know if I could fix it. And there seems a new one in there. So yeah, I could. And that's just using pieces I have around. Fuck it. These amps are junk anyways. But so got that fixed. That's setting up and drying. And then I fixed her lamp. It broke right here. So we mended her back together. And I'm gonna let it sit for a couple days. But yeah, that's it. That is it. I am going in, guys. What a day. Peace.